Hi boys and girls. Today we are talking about volcanoes, and what do volcanoes start with? The letter V. So I've got this worksheet for you to print out off of Class Dojo, if you can get mum and dad to print it for you, and you can color it in, and you can also put your name because we need to practice writing out our name. So write your name at the top and color that one in. Alright, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about volcanoes, and then we're going to do a volcano experiment, which is really cool. Okay, so this is a picture of a volcano erupting. Can you see the lava? Isn't that cool? And then sometimes the lava will shoot up into the air, and sometimes there'll be ash that will go all the way up to the clouds. And sometimes with really big volcanoes, they do have a volcano bomb that will shoot rocks out into the air, and some of them can get as big as an elephant, like this one here. Can you see the little man next to it? Look how big it is. Isn't that crazy? So today we're gonna make a volcano erupt. So what you're going to need for this experiment is an empty water bottle. You're going to need some old Play-Doh that you can mold around it. Miss Prue has a funnel here. Okay, so that's to make it easy to tip everything in. You're going to need some baking soda, some red food dye, and some vinegar. Okay, so Miss Prue has already got her red food dye out, some of the baking soda in a cup, and some vinegar also in a cup. Alright, so first things first, we're going to put some baking soda in. So we're going to pour it into the funnel. Make sure you can tap it a little bit and make sure it goes all the way through. Okay, and maybe we'll put a little bit more in there. A little bit more in there. Make sure it goes all through. Okay, and then we're going to put in some red food dye. So we can do a few drops, probably about 10, because we want to be able to see the color when it erupts. Now we're going to put the funnel back in. We're going to take some of our vinegar, and I have some already in a cup, and we're going to pour it in and see what happens. Oh my God, it erupted. But it didn't look very red, did it? Let's try that again. We can always put in some more. So let's put in some more baking soda. We're going to tap that through, which might be a little bit tricky. We may have to pour it from the cup because now my funnel is wet. So we're going to pour that in without the funnel. And let's put a little bit more in there. And this time we're going to put in a lot of red food dye because we want to make it look red. Do a few more drops. Let's put in maybe 30 drops this time. We want to make sure we can see the red. Right? And then let's pour in the vinegar and watch what happens. Whoa! Now that one worked a lot better, didn't it? So, boys and girls, once again, if you want to recreate this at home, you'll need an empty water bottle, some old Play-Doh, a funnel, some food coloring, some baking soda, and some vinegar. I hope you had fun with this experiment, and next week we can do it all over again when you're back in school. Alright, see you later, and don't forget to do your V page for volcanoes. Get mommy and daddy to print that out for you. Alright guys, I miss you all so much. We'll see you next week. Bye!